Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into the anticipated features, specs, price, and release date of the GoPro Hero 13. If you're into action cameras, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in tech. For the past 4 years, it's been a tradition to speculate on what new features GoPro might introduce. Let's look at what we might expect from the Hero 13, keeping in mind GoPro's historical patterns and innovations. Historically, GoPro has maintained a consistent body design across multiple generations. Models 1 through 4 shared similar forms, as did 5 through 8 and 9 through 12. This pattern suggests that the Hero 13 might introduce a new design, packed with upgraded specs to reignite excitement among users. New processor and improved interface. With the Hero 13, we might see the introduction of the GP3 processor, enhancing performance and enabling a more intuitive menu system. This processor could facilitate higher resolutions and frame rates. Expect capabilities like 8K at 30 FPS, 6K at 60 FPS, 5K at 120 FPS, 4K at 240 FPS, 2K at 480 FPS, and 1080p at 1000 FPS. These upgrades would cater to both professional videographers and enthusiasts seeking high-quality footage. Advanced sensor and AI integration. The Hero 13 might feature a 32-megapixel 11.3-inch sensor, balancing depth of field with the need to keep action scenes in focus. With the help of AI, we could see advanced in-camera processing, such as background blurring for a bokeh effect, enhancing the visual appeal of videos. Hyper-smooth 7.0 and time warp enhancements. GoPro's renowned stabilization technology, Hyper-smooth, could see its next evolution with version 7.0, offering even smoother footage with less cropping. Time warp might also benefit from AI, making time-lapse videos look more dynamic and polished. Internal storage and connectivity. A highly requested feature is internal storage, which would eliminate the reliance on potentially slow and overheating microSD cards. However, GoPro will likely continue with microSD for now. Connectivity will be upgraded with the latest Wi-Fi and Bluetooth standards, ensuring seamless integration with smartphones and other devices. Design and build. The Hero 13 is expected to be slightly larger to accommodate a bigger touchscreen and a more robust battery. The familiar action finger mounts and the 1/4 20 thread introduced with the Hero 12 will likely remain. These features ensure compatibility with various mounting solutions, enhancing the camera's versatility. Accessories and ecosystem. The GoPro ecosystem is essential, and the Hero 13 will probably come with a host of new accessories. These might include improved lenses, a new version of the Volta battery grip, and enhanced editing software. GoPro might also focus on wireless microphone integration, offering better audio solutions for creators. Voice commands and AI features. Voice command functionality could see significant improvements, allowing for more detailed and specific instructions, such as GoPro, start recording in 10 minutes. This would enhance user convenience, especially during hands-free shooting scenarios. Release date and pricing. Based on previous release patterns, the GoPro Hero 13 will likely debut in late September or early October. Pricing is expected to be competitive, around US $399, making it an attractive option for both new buyers and those looking to upgrade. Software and editing tools. GoPro is anticipated to push its software capabilities, possibly offering an app similar to CapCut. This app would allow users to edit videos on their computers or phones for free, with the option to purchase advanced effects and features. In summary, the GoPro Hero 13 promises to be a substantial upgrade with new hardware, enhanced software, and improved usability. While these are speculations, they're based on GoPro's past trends and industry advancements. What features are you hoping to see in the Hero 13? Drop a comment below and let us know. Thanks for tuning in to Technology in the Future. Make sure to subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech and action cameras. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next video.